Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to use the free elements library in Canva. Canva gives you many free elements like icons, shapes, arrows, stickers, and illustrations. These elements are very useful because they help make your design more attractive and professional. Let's start. Open Canva. Click on social media. Open design like Instagram post. Go to Element. Search icons. Canva gives you many free elements like icons. Choose icons of your choice. Now change its color. You can move it anywhere and resize it. Scroll down. Try another icon. Do it small. Click on Shapes. Choose Shapes. After adding shape, resize it, you can move it anywhere and change its color. When you search arrows, Canva gives free and premium elements of arrows. Click on Free Elements of Arrow to use. Here, you can search for anything you want. For example, stickers. Click on See All. This feature is very helpful for beginners because Canva already gives you many ready-made free elements. Now search free elements like illustration. To use free elements of design match. Move it and change its color. Now click Add Page. Search here Woman Glow Skin. Canva give more elements. Use only the ones that match your design style. Move it and resize. When you want to make your design better, go to the Elements section and explore the free library. Go to Graphics. Search Soap. Search Face Cream. Try different elements and use only the ones that match your design style. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the free elements library in Canva. If you found this useful, like the video and comment your favorite Canva element below. And to folio. Thanks for watching.